Here is another way that you can knit with more than one color of yarn. And this is called a continental style of knitting. You take the main color in your right hand as normal, as if you were to knit like normal. The white yarn or the contrasting yarn, you twist around your fingers like that. I'll show you again. I just pick it up, go like that. So it's a little bit of tension going around my index finger. And I go through the stitch as if to knit, and I'm gonna scoop that white yarn right up onto my right needle. I'll show you again. Go through the next stitch as if to knit, but then scoop that yarn that you're holding in your left hand onto the right needle. And that way you can also carry this white yarn along the back of your work if you have 3 stitches in a row. And then you need to knit another white stitch. You can hold it all along like this so that when you need to knit the white stitch, you're ready to do it. You have to watch your tension so that you don't pull too tightly. But the inside of your work, you'll see how the white yarn was carried right along around each round, whether it was being used or not used. And that is another way of knitting with more than one color of yarn.